Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you best graphic settings for your Madden PC or laptop to play Madden 27 smoothly. Now, before you change anything, the first thing I would recommend you to do is to just go to the search bar and type here graphic settings. And once you open that, you're gonna see the option add desktop app. Select that option, and now you need to go to the location of your Madden 27. I have installed in the D drive, and here is my game. I can simply open the folder and select the game. Once the game is added right here, click on the drop down, and here in the GPU preference you need to set high performance. Once you do that, then just simply go to gear icon and select the option edit settings. Then go to graphics tab. Right here you can simply choose the window mode full screen. You can set the resolution 1920 by 1080, set the monitor refresh rate 60 Hz, and also keep the frame rate cap to 60 fps as well. Then you can change the global visuals to low, cutscene visuals to auto, turn off performance overlay. Then you can keep VSync on in case if you have chosen uncap here. Next you can set the HDR to off. You can change the lighting quality to medium or low. Same goes with advanced here. I personally keep it on low. Then you can choose the sideline quality to low, and you can basically follow the exact settings, and you can turn off all the unnecessary things unless it actually matters to you. Like in my case, I would like to turn on 3D grass, and for the cutscene I would personally recommend you to set everything on low and just turn off every single thing. And yeah guys, these are the base settings which you can have in order to play Madden 27 smoothly on your Madden PC or laptop. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.